We're going to be losing some of our juniors tomorrow for APUS, so I know I said some, not all. All right, so everybody grab the little waffle and grab a sheets. We're just going to play with the random sheets right now. Okay? The waffle. Right? The little cute, the little box up at the top, the waffle. It's a waffle. Alright. And then find Google Sheets. Go ahead and start a new Google Sheets. Just a blank one's fine. We're just playing with this. Okay? Make sure I do it right. Alright. The waffle. Yes. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is most of the graphs, so you're going to have to, I'm going to give you a graph that you're going to have to fix, okay? And then you're also going to have to do a graph where you make it misleading as part of the task, okay? And we're going to talk about, actually the next part of today is we're going to talk about misleading graphs. Alright, so but I want to play with some graphs for you and show you how to do this. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do, so everybody can kind of follow this. I'm going to, in column A, I'm going to put year, and in column B, I'm going to say sales. So whatever your X data would be goes in the first column, and whatever your Y data column goes in the second column, okay? I'm going to put in like 4 years, okay? So pick your favorite year numbers. I'm going to go 2004, and I'm going to pick some kind of random amount. I'm going to say 2,500, okay? And I'm going to go 2005, and I'm going to say 2,600. The numbers ultimately don't matter. 2006, 2,800. And let's say 2007, 3,000. Okay? Okay. Whatever. 4 points is plenty to play with. Okay? You don't have to match mine. Pick 4 years and 4 random numbers. You're predicting? Yeah. Okay. Whatever. It's not going to matter. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to come here to where it says insert. So find insert. It goes file, edit, view, insert. And at the very bottom, kind of after that line in the bottom, it says chart. So you're going to grab chart. All right, and it comes up with some recommendations. Go ahead and go to chart type. Okay? You get to kind of pick what chart type we're doing, and a linear one might not be the right thing. Really, when we look at these misleading graphs you're going to see in a few minutes, they tend to do like bar graphs, okay, or pie charts, excuse me. So I'm gonna change it to the bar graph one because that's the one I want to make sure you understand how to fix it. Yeah. So you're gonna go to, I'll do it again. You're gonna go to insert and chart, okay, and then go to chart types and bar graphs. It already picked up on all your data, right? That was sitting there. As long as you only do 2 columns, it should pick it up pretty well. All right. And then if you click on customization, you can kind of change your font in there. You can change if it's stacked. If you're doing misleading, that actually. All right. So at some point you have to change your, you might have to change this number at the bottom, because look at it. Is it starting at 0? No. So to get rid of that, you can click this stacked. I'll show you another way to do that too here in a minute. Okay. Let's see, did that put the year? No, it just did what I wanted it to do. There's some other buttons you can play with there, okay? But really what I wanted you to point out is I'm going to go ahead and click insert, okay? Once you've got it inserted, do you see this column right here? See how I don't have it at 0? I can set a minimum value. So if I didn't get it set at 0 in the other place, I can set my minimum there, and it will switch it to 0. I can also just click on the labels if I need to label it better. I can label it there. I can change my title there. I think you can probably change your color of the bars if you really want to make it more exciting. Okay. Oh, look, it all went green. Okay. All right. So, and then what you would do from there is you would do a, let's see, does this do a, no, quick view mode. All right. I think you can right click on it. Does that copy? Maybe. Nope. Chart area. View mode. Oh. Oh, click the arrow in the corner. That's, I knew I was missing it somewhere. And if you click like copy chart, and then you would be able to copy and paste it into your Google Doc, because it's a Google Doc task this time. Okay? Does that make sense? I just